Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cyan from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a long, skinny oval. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a curve. And now let's continue it up on the left side and on the right. Then for the ends, let's curve it out and down. Then let's bring it down and curve it in. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the head. And lastly, inside, let's draw a long curve across for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, let's hop down and draw the neck. Let's start underneath the head on the right and let's draw a line down and then curve it out. Now let's do the same thing on the left, but we're going to make it longer, like this. Next, at the end, let's draw the legs. We'll start with a curve down and out. Then leave a gap and let's draw another one next to it on the right. Now for the ends, let's draw 2 curves down. And then at the bottom, let's draw 3 V-shaped points to close off the foot. Next, let's hop over on the left and let's draw the other leg in the same way. Let's start with 2 curves down underneath the body. Then underneath, let's curve it out to the left. And then 3 pointed toes at the bottom. And that's it for the left leg. Next, let's hop back up and finish drawing the body. Let's start next to the neck here and let's draw a curve out, and we're going to curve it down and then bring it up at the end. Now for the end, let's curve it back in to the side of the leg like this. And that's it for Cyan. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!